Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 25 Crestline Road in Pittsford.
This is the ultimate designer showcase. So let's take a tour. This stunning courtyard entry welcomes your family and friends and leads to a spacious foyer.
This is spectacular open living with a great room, featuring a white and bright designer kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast bar. Open to a dining area with a vaulted ceiling and two living areas, one with a gorgeous fireplace and built-ins, and the other with a wall of windows and patio access, all with beautiful hardwood floors, an adjacent powder room and laundry, and scenic backyard views.
This is first floor living at its best, with a beautiful owner's suite with hardwood floors, walk-in closets, and a new spa bathroom with heated floors, marble-top double sink vanity, and a spa shower, plus an additional first floor bedroom or office.
The upstairs features two spacious bedrooms, an office or potential fifth bedroom, and a totally updated bathroom.
This charming home has ultimate curb appeal with over $100,000 of updates, both exterior and interior. This idyllic nature setting wraps around the private patio, featuring beautiful rhododendrons, ferns, azaleas, and more, plus a pond with a water feature. Truly nature's paradise. This property is steps away from St. John Fisher College and nearby Oak Hill and Irondequoit country clubs. Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 25 Crestline Road in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!